All right, so this is a bit of a behind the scenes on how I've lit this scene using the Nanlites, as well as using the remote control that you probably can't see to turn things on. So I'm behind the camera. I could see the camera here. So the first one that I wanted to turn on was number 10, which is up the top to give us a bit of light. So there, so we get a bit of a light in the back there, so we can turn that up. Doing this all from the back of the camera. So I can turn it right up to give real brightness. So that's that one. And then number 11 is off to the side so that we can get a bit of a side light. I can turn that right up too. I've got a bit of a softbox sort of strip over the top of that. And then we want to turn on the other light off to the side here, which is on channel 8. And I can turn that on. Uh-oh, it's pink. Normally if that was pink, you'd have to go over there, change it from the color to the CCT, but all you do, push one button, there it is. And then I've got a backlight too, so a bit of a rim light of sorts. Oh, that's green. Oh no. So we turn that up, but we can change that to the white. I'm not an enormous product photographer, I'm trying to get better, but here it is. And what I'm actually wanting to do is a little bit more summery. It looks like we've done all right, but it looks like I might need to move a light. And the actual whole idea behind this is what you actually see below here is a pneumatic ram. And then part of the reveal would be that the can comes up out of the fan. And there you go. I need a remote control that can change the height of the tripods now. All right, let's actually really take the shot now. So can comes down. Can comes up. Slowly, slowly.